Welcome to an exciting journey into the heart of AI engineering. Today, we're diving into a unique 60-day hands-on course designed to transform you into a production-grade AI engineer. This isn't just about theory, it's about building real-world systems. We'll cover 4 key areas. First, we'll explore what makes this course truly unique and why it stands out from typical AI programs. Then we'll look at the impressive AI-powered quiz platform you'll construct and the skills you'll gain. Next, we'll highlight the core technical topics from AI fundamentals to hyperscale infrastructure, ensuring you understand the breadth of knowledge. Finally, we'll discuss who this course is perfectly suited for, including the prerequisites and ideal candidate profiles. Get ready to unlock the secrets of building AI systems that serve millions. Many AI courses focus solely on training models or calling APIs. But what happens when your system needs to serve millions of concurrent users, handle dynamic content, and remain profitable? This course takes you into the trenches of production AI engineering. Instead of just learning about models, you'll be building a complete real-world quiz platform from the ground up, designed for massive scale. Our approach is intensely hands-on. Every day, you code with clear success criteria, like your API should return a quiz in under 200 milliseconds. You'll learn to make critical decisions based on real numbers, calculating AWS and GCP costs, measuring latency, and profiling memory usage. This isn't just theory. It's about making senior-level architectural trade-offs that impact performance and budget. This practical experience is what truly sets this course apart. By day 60, you won't just have learned concepts, you'll have built a formidable portfolio piece, a complete AI-powered quiz platform. This platform will generate contextual questions from any content using large language models, evaluate open-ended answers with semantic understanding, and adapt difficulty in real time based on user performance. It's engineered for extreme scale, handling over 100 million requests per second through intelligent caching and distribution, all while costing less than $50 a month for 10,000 daily active users, a significant savings compared to typical setups. This course isn't for beginners. You should have experience writing APIs, a basic understanding of databases and HTTP, and a strong curiosity for how large-scale systems work. It's ideal for engineers transitioning into AI infrastructure or architects designing LLM-based systems. The curriculum is comprehensive, covering crucial areas of modern AI engineering. You'll master AI engineering fundamentals like prompt optimization, embedding-based retrieval, and the nuances of fine-tuning versus Retrieval-Augmented Generation, or RAG. Then we dive deep into production infrastructure, exploring multi-tier caching, asynchronous job processing with failure recovery, rate limiting, and database sharding. For hyperscale architecture, you'll learn about load balancing across LLM providers, implementing circuit breakers, and predictive scaling for cost optimization. Finally, you'll tackle real-world AI challenges, such as handling hallucinations, maintaining consistency, A/B testing prompts, and monitoring AI-specific metrics like coherence and relevance. This course provides a holistic view, preparing you for any AI infrastructure challenge. In summary, this 60-day hands-on course offers an unparalleled opportunity to build, deploy, and scale production-grade AI systems. You'll gain invaluable expertise in AI infrastructure, distributed systems, and cost-efficient scaling, moving beyond basic model training to real-world impact. The result is a robust portfolio piece that demonstrates your ability to tackle complex engineering challenges and deliver scalable, reliable AI solutions. So, are you ready to take your AI engineering skills to the next level? How will you apply these advanced skills to your next big project? And what innovative AI systems will you build?